brand new Go Animate video on YouTube. My phone for a second, we'll do more openings tonight. Well,
I am going to see what's on the weathernetwork.com. Let's see. Hey, what the?
Not the rainfall warning. Why did you do this to me?
That's it. I am going to taunt at the logos and then I am going to cancel this abomination. South Park Comedy Central theweathernetwork.com Walt Disney Home Videos Superman theweathernetwork.com Wendy's KFC Mojx 9HF8 Xtfu 8HXD8 FKQ 7 XBGVXBU South Park Comedy Central Williams Pinball Walt Disney Home Videos Superman Williams Pinball Wendy's KFC Daily Motion Cub South Park Comedy Central Weather.gc.ca Walt Disney Home Videos Superman CBC News Wendy's KFC CBC News via 6666 South Park Comedy Central CBC News Walt Disney Home Videos Superman CBC Wendy's KFC CBC News Walt Disney Home Video if 8 Fuif Duffbud Buif Duif Duffbuzz Fucks Duff Stewict South Park Comedy Central Teletoon Walt Disney Home Videos Superman Nelvana Wendy's KFC. And now, it is time to cancel the rainfall warning right now. Ha 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 ha. It's cancel time. Ha ha. Ha ha. Bye rain poopy. Ha ha. Oh yes, it's finally gone. Oh crap. It's Scumball and NAIs.
Raphy, how dare you cancel the rainfall warning? Why did you do that?
It's because I hate rainfall warning.
I don't care for the rainfall warning. Did you cancel? That is so freaking. You are so grounded forever. Go to your room now.
I agree with NAI. Go to your room right now.
and that's it.